everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So now Madam Glam has launched their professional salon quality accessories and it's on their website now, so do check it out. I'll post the link in the description box for you. Here I have 3 accessories from them and they look amazing, especially this one. Like, I can't wait to show you guys what's inside and also showing the demo using these accessories on myself and how it works. So let's start with this first. This is their gel removal nail clips and I really like the packaging here, really like the box. This one comes with 10 clips, reusable, touchscreen friendly, and here it says used in the removal process of soak-off gel to be used with Madam Glam lint-free cotton wipes. And here it says how to use this nail clips. So all the good instruction here. So let me just take this out for you. So that's how they look. These are their 10 reusable nail clips. They look amazing. And let me open it. So this one is made of plastic and that's how it looks from the back. So if you open it, so I guess you put your finger here and put the cotton pad with acetone and press it. So you can hear that click sound. It will adjust to your finger. It's pretty snugged in now. My finger is pretty snugged in. So that's very nice. And you just open it and just take out your finger. So that's how it looks. I really like the pink in the bottom and the white on the top. It's so cute. And I'll be following the instruction here how to use it. Use a nail buffer, remove the top coat of your soak-off manicure, use acetone, lint-free wipe, insert your finger in the nail clips and adjust them to fit. Wait 10-15 minutes, remove the clips and wipe and clean residue with a wooden stick. So these are the instructions of this nail clips. So here's the next accessories and this one is their nail file and this one is their diamond nail file 240 nail grit. So that's the nail file guys and this is really soft. 240 is considered to use on natural nails. It's very soft and gentle to your natural nails. And this one is perfect for prepping your nails, especially before applying the soak-off gel polish due to its low corrosive surface. Ideal for filing natural nails without any damage. So that's the information is given on their website. So I can't wait to use this. So here's the pretty box. Look at this guys, so pretty. It's like rose gold, such a pretty box. And this one is like made of steel, I guess. And look at that, oh my goodness, it's so pretty. This one is their cuticle pusher and the triangle is called their gel polish remover. So now here I'll be demoing my thumb and using the Madam Glam accessories. So first I'll apply some cuticle softener and using Madam Glam cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles just gently. And I really like that this is not too sharp and it removes the cuticle super fast. Now I'm gonna clean the thumb with some rubbing alcohol to remove any excess dry skin. And you can also scrape off the edges like that with this scraper, just like that. And you can also clean underneath if you have any dirt. So now with their 240 grit file, I'm gonna just shape the nail. And now I'm just gonna rough the nail surface and I can feel it that this is really gentle and soft. So I'm doing this for my gel application, so you have to buff the surface before you apply a gel polish, otherwise it will not adhere to the nail and it will just slip off. So yeah, I don't need a buffer for that, and this file is doing amazing work. The cuticle area, just do very gently. Just gonna brush away any dust. Gonna spray some alcohol. You have to clean the nail before you apply any polish. So my nail is all prepped now for gel application. So first I'm gonna apply their base coat and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna apply very sparkly green gel polish from Madam Glam, and this one is called I'm Vegan. It's so pretty. So here's the first layer, and I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. Now I'm gonna apply a second coat of I Am Vegan. So now I'm going to apply Madam Glam's top coat and cure it for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So here's my color, guys, and it looks super pretty. I don't feel like taking it out, but I have to demo these accessories for you. So let's buff this color. I'll be using the same 240 grit. So you have to buff the top layer first. That's what the instructions said. So just take the top layer and make it matte. So as you can see, it's matte now, and I've removed the top layer. So now I'm gonna get these nail clips here. I've got my acetone, and I'll be using this cotton pad to soak in the acetone. So I've soaked this cotton pad in acetone, and now I'm just gonna put it here like that. I think I soaked a little too much. I'm just gonna open this up and put my thumb inside like that, and put this on top and just clip it tight. Oh nice, it's so snugged in now, as you can see from the back. So it's pretty much snugged in, and I'm gonna wait for 15 minutes so that the acetone dissolves the gel polish, and I'll be back after 15 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes now, and I really want to see what's going on inside. So I'm just gonna open this just like that, and wow, a lot of color came out. I've got my tool here, so let's see. Oh nice, it's coming out very easily. But this will need a lot more soak time. Still not ready. So I'm gonna soak this off again, and since this one is a glitter polish, this will take a bit longer to dissolve. So I'm gonna soak it again, and I'll be right back. So guys, now it's been 10 minutes, and I'm gonna just open and see what's happening inside. I'm gonna open it, and that's what you see. Here's my tool. As you can see, it's already coming out. Oh wow, it's so easy now. As you can see, my nail underneath, and it's super easy. It's easily scraping off the old gel polish. So I would recommend for glittery polish, soak off for about 20 minutes. As you can see, it's totally off now, and this tool is working so amazing. So now as you see, there's leftover of gel polish there, so I'm just gonna grab their nail file and just lightly buff the nail just like so. And I'm just gonna spray the nail with some rubbing alcohol and clean off my nail. So that's how it looks, guys, and it's back and it has removed all the gel polish, and I'm really impressed with the nail clips and the scraper. And now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil, since we have done a lot of buffing and acetone just dries your cuticle area and nail plate. So that's all for the review, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed watching it. I highly recommend these nail accessories to everyone, even for its personal use or professional use. Just make sure you sanitize these tools to avoid any infection on the nails. And everything will be mentioned in the description box below, along with my coupon code, which you can use and get 30% off site-wide. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.